19 dead, 300 plus injured as powerful quake jolts Pakistan. Turkey and US hold second safe zone joint patrol in North Syria. Oil prices down as Saudi Arabia's supply concerns ease. Egypt police kills 16 shootout. Syria, car bomb kills 5 civilians in Afrin, injures 11. Yemen rebels say 16 killed in Saudi light attacks. Iran slams European call for new nuke deal. 8 babies killed in hospital fire in Algeria. UN, Indonesia has risked lives of 10 million children. Pakistan criticized Trump unilateral Taliban decision. Restriction meant to gag Kashmir media, press group. India, Christian killed for allegedly slaughtering cow.